G'day guys, welcome back to another episode here at Signature Auto Styling. My name is Lucas and today we're going to be showing you how to install the DIY PPF boot ledge for this Mercedes-Benz C63S. So included in your kit, you're going to receive one bottle of PPF slip solution. You're going to receive a pink PPF application squeegee, plus a couple of tucking tools and a PPF specific knife, just in case. You'll also receive a pre-cut template for the PPF boot ledge itself. So here at Signature Auto Styling, we like to incorporate a 3-stage cleaning method when preparing any surface when it comes to vinyl wraps or PPF installations. So stage 1 is your multi-purpose cleaner, stage 2 is a wax and grease remover, and your stage 3 is an isopropyl alcohol 70% plus. So what we recommend you do is grab your PPF slip solution, fill number 1 with a litre worth of water and then 4 pumps of this. You can find your wax and grease remover at your local hardware store. Prepsol works fine as well. Fill that into one of these bottles. And then what you're going to do is isopropyl alcohol, you can also find this at a local hardware store, is fill up 150 ml with isopropyl alcohol here and the rest with cold water. So this is going to act as your final cleaning solution along with your tack solution for down the track. What you're also going to need is a couple of microfiber cloths. We do recommend keeping these with the cleaners themselves, that way we're not mixing up any chemicals during the cleaning process. And the final thing that you're going to need is just either a hairdryer or a heat gun. This way, after the installation is complete, we can seal all the edges. So once everything's done, we can get started.
Please proceed with preparing the surface using stages 1, 2 and 3. Ensure the surface and all surrounding areas are thoroughly cleaned, including the rubber seals. This is critical to prevent any dirt or debris from falling onto the surface during the application of the PPF. Once the surface is clean, you are ready to install your PPF.
All right, once you've gone through with your stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3, what we're going to do is fill up your stage 1 with the 4 drops of slip solution and 1 litre worth of water. That's going to act as our slip solution for the PPF. So we're going to set it to jet and we're going to spray the surface. And grab our film. So you want to grab, whether you're working on that side first, you want to make sure that's on the top side here. So peel it down halfway, spray the adhesive side, and then lay it on like so. All right, so once you've set your film down and you've got a little bit of movement in it, we've made it short on purpose because we do need to add a little bit of stretch on either side. So focus on getting these ends even. We're only coming up to the first edge here. So before the lip lifts up, just move it down to about there. Spray the surface like so. And what we're going to do is tack the first third. So to about here and here. Squeegee upwards. Go, and then what we can do is add a little bit of stretch, so we're just trying to get that top line here a little bit closer to the rubber, like like so. And squeegee all the water out. So we're only working on the top half. We'll come down and do this lip later. And then follow again on this side. So a little bit of stretch, making sure we're not coming up top side there. And that should be the top side done. And then what you want to do is grab your number 3, which is your tack solution and isopropyl alcohol. So for those, if you missed it, so it's 150 mils worth of isopropyl alcohol and the rest with cold water. So this will act as your tack solution, just to flush out the slip. And just spray the bottom lip like so. And then what happens here is activates the adhesive and it's all stuck down. All right. Then what we're going to do in a swooping motion down this way, from the top, we're going to roll it down. And that's pretty much it installed. So we go ahead and just dry the area. Try not to go upwards, go along the line because it is still very wet. We don't want to catch any microfibers on the edge of the film. So after that's done, we'll grab our heat gun and then we're just going to heat all the edges and then come down with a microfiber to seal every single one. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching our video. We hope you like it. If you want to see more content from us, feel free to like, subscribe. It means the absolute world to us. If you want to find where to purchase one of our kits, you can go directly to our website, www.signatureauto.com.au. We will leave a link in the description below. So thank you very much and take care.